Good morning, students. Today we will do the new topic of the chapter Air. In this topic, we will discuss about the structure of the atmosphere. In last class, we have discussed about the composition, means various factors that is including in the atmosphere, like various type of gases, importance of various gases like carbon dioxide is important for the plants, and the absorb the heat like a greenhouse effect is and water vapors and dust particles. So in today class we will discuss about the various layer of the atmosphere, how the atmosphere look like. So our atmosphere divided into 5 layers. First is troposphere, second is stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. These are the structure of the atmosphere. So 5 layer already we have discussed. As we move from earth surface to the universe, first layer is troposphere, second layer is stratosphere, then mesosphere, then thermosphere and exosphere. So towards from the earth surface to the solar system, these are the various layer. We can have a picture here: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. After this, atmosphere layer of the atmosphere is not exist, and then we enter into the space. Troposphere, this is a layer, the most important layer of the atmosphere. The average height is 13 kilometer. The air we breathe exists here, means oxygen is present in this layer. Almost all the weather phenomena like rainfall, fog, hailstorm occur in this layer because dust particle and water vapors are also available only in this layer. These are the picture. Here we can observe the cloud formation and various cloud is here. Even the Mount Everest height is somewhere comparison the troposphere. Now the next layer is stratosphere. Above the troposphere lies the stratosphere. It extended up to the height of 50 km. This layer is almost free from the clouds and associated weather phenomena, means no weather phenomena take place here, making condition most ideal for the flying aeroplanes. One most important features of the stratosphere is that is contain a layer of ozone gas. Here, between the height of 30 to 50 km, our ozone layer is present, and this layer save us from the ultraviolet radiation of sun. Ozone layer is depleting because of increasing of carbon dioxide and various greenhouse gas. Now the mesosphere, this is a third layer of the atmosphere. It lies above the stratosphere. It extended up to the height of 80 km. Meteoroids burn up in this layer on entering from the space due to the friction. Thermosphere, in the thermosphere temperature rise very rapidly with the increasing height. Ionosphere is a part of this layer. It extended between 80 to 400 km. This layer helps in the radio transmission. In fact, radio waves transmitted from the earth are reflected back to the earth by this layer. Here, transmission of the radio waves taking place in thermosphere, and in the thermosphere the another part is ionosphere. Now the exosphere. The uppermost layer of the atmosphere is known as exosphere. In this layer, very light gases are available, basically helium and hydrogen float here. After this layer, we enter into the space. Thank you, students. Have a good day.